Welcome to Fab and Mic. In today's video we will show you how we decorate our Christmas tree. In our family we decorate a bit early. We start with the decorations already in November so that everything is in order when the 1st of December starts. Because we want to enjoy the Christmas every day. So if you want to see how we decorate our Christmas tree, come along. We have the Christmas tree, we have some tinsel, one box with pink. So I like to store everything in color. Here we have some more decorations. I'm so excited! Another box, also pink and Disney. We love Disney in this house, so we have lots of Disney ornaments. If you like Disney, then you should stay on this channel. And also to make the Christmas tree look expensive and girly, and we use this bordslöpare, table runners. But in America you have ribbons that are this wide. We don't have that in Sweden. So I use these table runners. Here is more of this. If I want to do a red tree, gold, can glam it up with some glitter. And of course, more pink. This is new for this year. I will try to do something new. I don't know if it will work, but we'll see. Well, let's start. Oh, this tree is beautiful. We start with the foot, and we have tassar, so it won't destroy the floor. So you just one of these is missing, tassar. So what we do, we take this fixa from IKEA. Always have them at home. And for you that doesn't speak Swedish that well, fixa means fix. So we will fix this with tassar from IKEA. Okay, this is not sponsored. Just so you know. Okay, fixad. For this you need to fix it. They are really squeezed, so you have to give the tree a bit love. So you just some ups and downs as you want it, so your tree gets more filled. And we start from the bottom and up. And now the center, we need to make it more like this. So much better. And time for the top. Time for the lights. These ones are from Rusta. It is good if you are two when you are doing this. Now it's all open. Start from the middle. Then you decide if you want to just have it hanging like this, or if you want to have it go round like this.
And then you make it zigzag, so you don't go around the whole tree because there is no end to the light chain. You need at least 2 of these light chains. So here is the first one, and they are 2.5 meters, and you need 2 to cover the front. If you want all around, you need 3 or 4. And now we're starting on the second one.
To make the tree look fab, we use table runners. I will show you. It's about this width. This is silver. Okay, you start in the top and you just do like this, and you take one of the branches. You can let it stick up for a bit. You just press it and then you do like little bubbla, I don't know, like this. Take another branch and just pinch it a bit, like this. Then keep going down. Next one. Doesn't have to be this wide if you don't want to, and you can cut it. And you can do small or big, but I like when they are like this. Yeah. And you just squeeze it. I don't know how to do this if you have a real Christmas tree, but probably can. You can pre-cut them if you want to. I have seen people doing that, but I think it's better to keep it because next year you can use it again if you have a higher tree, or if you want to use it like a table runner. So what we do is that it is so much left, so we go up a bit with this, so we have the back side as well covered. We used 4 of these table runners and it was more than enough. For snow effect we will use feathers. This I bought from eBay. So we will put the snow in here. These feathers give a nice snow effect. And we used 5 strings.
And then we put snow in the tree at the bottom.
Now it's time for decoration. And I like to have roses in my Christmas tree. And this is just a clip on. So you just put the rose here. and it stays. And when you do the tree, you should do like zigzags. So if you start here, then the next will come here, then you go here, here, and here. So that is a good roll. So you don't put everything just like this. This is the bubbles we will use, some of them. And we also have some in the bins. We do like this. If you do like this, then it will hang. This is a real heavy bowl. This one has a klämma. Also with a little clip. Need some beads. And now all the beads are in. Makes it look a bit more luxury. For the little ballerina. All of these are glass baubles, so we string them. It wouldn't be our tree if it wasn't a Disney tree. Tiny, tiny Minnie Mouse ornaments.
It was plastic.
They are plastic. Där då. Super cute. you.